Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat Sip Crave. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for a rosemary and pear pork loin roast. I'm using ingredients that are inspired by the fall and winter months, and they are absolutely delicious when paired together. I will have the recipe linked down below at the new Eat Sip Crave website, and I hope that you guys enjoy and follow along. Subscribe if you haven't. Without further ado, let's cook. This recipe is just that simple and it is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys will give it a try. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.